This chair is super comfortable. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this adjustable office chair. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So finding a good, comfortable office chair can be kind of difficult. And one of the things that we really liked about this one is all the different ways you can adjust it. You can raise it and lower it with the level underneath, but you can also change the lumbar with just the twist of a knob on the back, which is really convenient. The chair also has a reclining function for those days when you kind of want to be a little bit more relaxed when sitting at your desk. Another feature we liked is that you can take these armrests and tip them up and out of the way, so it makes it easier to get in and out of the chair, or if you don't want to use them, you can just leave them up and out of your way. Like I said, there are a lot of adjustment options on this chair, which make it easy to make it the most comfortable for you. Speaking of comfort, the seat has a nice thick seat for extra comfort. It's soft and comfortable. It's hard to explain. I don't really know how to explain it, but when you sit on it, it's firm yet soft. I don't really know how to put that into good words. The chair also has caster wheels, making it really easy to move in and out of your desk. Honestly, this is a really sleek looking chair. It's really comfortable, it's easy to adjust, and it makes working at your desk just a little bit easier. We recommend this.